Oh, do you want to do this one with you guys? Okay, well, I'll do one with you. So n is 5, x is 3, p is 0.63. I have to give you all three of those things. I have to every time. You just have to find them. Once you find them, then you can find q. What's q?
0.37.
Yep, 1 minus 0.63, 0.37. What's my n minus x?
2.
Yep, 5 minus 3, it's 2. This is my number of failures. So, I'm going to do my n. So NCX, 5CX is 3, times p to the x. So this is the first part. We'll do this part next. P to the x, what's my p? 0.63. To the x, what's my x? 3. Times q to the n minus x, what's my q? 0.37. To the, well, if I have 3 successes, I must have 2 failures, because these two numbers have to add up to 5. Okay, so then I'm going to bust out my calculator. I'm going to do 5 math probability NC R 5 choose 3, enter, times 0.63 to the third times 0.37 to the second. And I get 0.342. Done. All right, you guys do lab problem number 6 and 7. 6 and 7.
What that answer was again?
Okay, you guys do problems 6 and 7.
The battery is dying.
Oh no, thank you.
It's blinking.
Oh.
First one. So here you have 6 choose 4 times 0.03 to the fourth times q must be 0.97, right? Because it's 1 minus 0.03 to the second. And you guys ended up with something like 1 point what?
1.143.
E to the, so anytime you have a probability, you guys, anytime you have a probability that's more than 1, it darn well better to have an E negative something after it. Because you can never have 114% probability, right? So it's going to be E what?
E negative 5.
E negative 5. What does that mean? Move the decimal place over 5 times to make it smaller. So you'll add 5 zeros. Easiest way to do this is to add E negative 5 zeros, 114, and then put your decimal place after the first 0. That's the easiest way to do that. That's a trick one of my old students taught me. And again, I want 3 sig figs. So it means you get your first non-zero number, 1, 2, 3. That's 3 sig figs. Everybody see what I'm talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't stop here and make it 0. First non-zero, 1, 2, 3. Done. Yeah.
So the bottom one's fine for like zeros. So that's what I got. But I didn't-
I'm sorry?
I didn't get 1.14 with me. Something I got the.
Oh, you got that? Yeah, yeah.
But that's fine too.
Yeah. What you got? You got this. Yeah, you don't need this.
Yeah.
This is what you need.
Yes.
Yeah. The next one, you guys got 4 choose 1 times 0.18 to the 1 times 0.72 to the third. Right? Yes? No?
Yeah.
And you ended up getting, what's this one?
0.397.
397?
Yeah.
Okay.
It actually should be 2822.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Thank you. Thank you. And then the last one is this one. All right, so here, you guys need to find n, you need to find x, you need to find p. Once you find n and x, those should make it so that you can find n minus x. And once you find p, that should make it so that you can find q. So take 30 seconds and find n, x, and p. Do you want someone to read it? We get a reader? Yeah, Adam, go ahead.
If I have 16 marbles in a bag and 4 are white, I draw a marble to see if it is white or not. I replace the marble and repeat the trial a total of 12 times. What is the probability that exactly 5 that I draw are white?
Great. So it says repeat the trial, it means all together you're going to do it 12 times, total. Kind of the first time, it's a total of 12 times. Find your x, n, find your x, find your p. I always have to give you these three, always. These three must be given. Okay, what's n, guys? Okay, so what are you doing? What are you doing over and over again? You're drawing a marble over and over again. How many times are you drawing a marble? 12 times. Everybody see that part?
Okay.
So this is my n, 12. And then what's my x? How many times am I doing it? Or so 12. Sorry, how many successes do I want?
5.
Exactly 5. That's my x. And then what's my probability of success? So what's the probability I draw a white marble? One time. One trial. 4 out of 16. Which reduces to 1 out of 4. Or if you want to use it in the calculator, you can put it as 0.25. That's fine as well. So if p is 0.25, q is what? 0.75. Everybody okay with that part?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. What's n minus x? Yep, 12 minus 5, so that's 7. So then you end up with, for your formula,
12C,
12c, keep going,
25
times
times.
my p, 0.25 to the x, which is 5, times my q, which is,
0.75 times your 7.
and then raise it to the
7.
n minus x, 7. Anybody do that yet? Find it yet? Find it, somebody find it.
It's 0.103.
103?
Yeah.
Anybody else get that same number? That seems good, okay. I don't remember that. All right. Have a good couple of days. I will see you guys on Thursday.
2.